And this thing ain't light, it's heavy. Which is gonna be another crazy thing to see because we haven't seen this car in its wheels in a long time. How do NASCAR guys compliment each other's cars?
How?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys have not checked out the other episode, the previous one to this one, go check that out because we got both quarter panels test fitted to the vehicle. No, they're not welded on yet, and we're a little bit far away from welding them on. But as I've said a long time ago, when we get 2 quarter panels on, the next thing we're gonna do is put the drivetrain together. So this here, completely loose, completely disassembled, and it still needs many parts like the diff, the axles, the springs, and stuff like that. And then we gotta go ahead and lift the suspension and load it, and hopefully if we don't run into any issues by the end of this episode, we're gonna have the drivetrain complete. So first things first, let's go ahead and grab that diff, slide it under there, and see what we can do. It seems like we have a little issue right now because the diff bolts that are on the subframe, here's my little scooter, these ones here, the subframe may need to be dropped to put these bolts in. So let's go ahead and get this thing under there and check that out. If you guys are new to this channel, lightly tap the subscribe button. If you guys are enjoying the content, smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram, BYBTim. Let's get this video rolling. It's time for the differential. Oh, that's heavier than I wondered. Oof. Oof. I did. I forgot it was that heavy. And I realized and I forgot. Woo! We have to use some muscles, some biceps, some back, some traps. Let's get this.
That's the diff?
Yeah, we're practicing putting it in right now. Woo, how are we gonna do this, yo? We gotta put this here, and then up, and then there. And this thing ain't light, it's heavy. I'm a little afraid we're not gonna be able to lift this high enough. I mean, that's gotta go all the way up here. We might have ourselves a bigger challenge than we think. I mean, not so easy of a task after all.
Wobbly.
Oh, right there. Money. Oh, my shamblet.
Say something.
This is way harder than it looks. The diff is extremely heavy, but we got all 3 bolts in. And our little Lego construction here worked, I guess you can say, with the help of my brother and Ed. Thank you. That was good, bro. now what we're doing is putting this axle in, not the axle, drive shaft. Gotta grease her up a little bit, like that. Yes, sir. We just about got everything in here. The last thing is the axles. We're gonna put the axles in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the car off those probably right there, or just load the suspension, and then we're gonna get back under here and tighten every single bolt. Center the diff, or center the, what's it called, the subframe, and tighten every single bolt to torque spec. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna take us some time, but we should be able to get it done. There's probably like 25-30 bolts that need to be tightened, and some of them are a pain in the butt to reach, but everything, I'll count everything, make sure everything's nice and tight. That way by the end of basically by the time I climb out from under here, we know that the suspension components are all tight, ready for the wheels, and ready to actually drive the car. That's actually insane to think about right now, but let's put the axles on. Hey. Couldn't get this axle bolt out of here, so we had to bolt it onto the car or bolt it onto the wheel because it was vibrating the whole hub and it wasn't unscrewing. So we're hoping that this should do it. Ready? Wow. Gotta get a breaker bar, extension and breaker bar. Go ahead.
Going.
Wow, that sucker is tight in there, dude. Get her good. Okay. There she goes. All right, let's see if we can get the bolt out. Wow. Okay, let's go. Tighten on the car. Ah, look at this. See that bolt bent? Nice, because we didn't order this bolt. But this is easy. This is a bolt that's off of pretty common, so we should be able to get this in a day or two. It's not like we're still gonna take the car for a spin, so it doesn't really matter right now. But let's go ahead and put the wheels on, I guess. Pick the car up. Actually, just let the car rest on its wheels, which is gonna be another crazy thing to see because we haven't seen this car in its wheels in a long time. But start tightening everything down. I'm super tired, man. Super hungry. My hands are beat. I was working on my little daily beater. I just picked the sucker up. Gotta get the cats decatted because they were completely clogged, like shot. So yeah. How do NASCAR guys compliment each other's cars?
How?
They go, dang, that's a nice car, dude.
You got that one off Google?
Nope. That's as genuine as it comes. Look, so this piece here is damaged on this side. Other side caliper we already put on the rotor, and here's the new one. So that goes right here.
Little e-brake motor?
Yep, e-brake motor. Hopefully we don't have any issues. We'll see how it works. I'm not even, so that's a little connection for it.
Should be pretty straightforward.
I mean, just looks like
two bolts.
Should looks like, and we got new bolts and new O-ring. So new O-ring and new bolts right here. So it's gonna be a T27. Get that sucker loosened up and swapped out. I hope there's no like, cause it's a motor, you know. I hope there's no like setting for it. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think so. To be honest, it's a T30.
230?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, mark this date and time because this is a monumental moment for us. This is crazy. This is literally crazy. We got both the wheels on. We used the jack right here to pump the suspension up, and I did about 3 inches from the rim to the quarter panel. That's just about right height. It doesn't have to be 1000% perfect. It's still gonna be loosened and retightened at the alignment shop, but not all the control arms, you know, not all the bushings. So all the ones that are not gonna be loosened, they're gonna be set to about this right height here, which is really good because this is just about right height is. And if we do decide to go springs, you know, anyways, regardless of anything, it's not perfect. Well, it's not like 1000% right height, but it's not, you know, with the rim sagging down here. So the bushings are not gonna have much stress on them. We're gonna go under the car right now and start tightening everything up. Everything's nice and tight now. Man, that was a lot of work, but I want to show you guys, this is the last piece we got to tighten, the main 4 subframe bolts, and I want to show you guys how much it moves. So take a look at this. So look, hang on, see that? The keys here or no?
Oh yeah.
Look, so
We don't want to be crab walking.
never. No, but we're gonna go ahead and align this stuff, and then hopefully the alignment tells us the real numbers and the real green pass alignment. This is absolutely crazy. I am stoked beyond words, but we got the rear wheels on. We got the diff in there. We got everything bolted up and tightened. So staggering. Like, this is just so exciting. You guys don't even know. For those of you guys that are just watching this video, maybe haven't seen any of my other videos, check out the intro to this. I mean, the reveal of this build. It was just a complete mess. The car was just all over the place, and now it's finally shaping up to look like a car. In the next episode, what we're gonna be doing most likely is put this door on and start welding this quarter panel in, because we got everything figured out on this side. So we're gonna start welding this one in. Possibly even get it completely welded in, and maybe start on the next quarter panel for the next video after that. But guys, we're flying right along with this build, as you guys can tell. We might take a little bit of itty break from this car and hop back onto the Lambo because my parts finally came, so I'm super excited about that. We can maybe take that thing for its first test spin, so stay tuned for all that. But anyways, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching till the very end. If you guys enjoyed that content, smash that like button, show your support, comment some of your thoughts and ideas down below. Whoa, look at that thing just opened up. That scared me. But anyways, I'm out for this episode. The next one is the best one. Catch you guys later. Peace out.